All the cell parts which you have identified and discussed are found both in animal cells and plant cells. However, plant cells have cell parts which are not found in animal cells. Could you tell me what these are?
Cell wall surrounds the cell membrane and is composed mainly of cellulose. It protects the cell from mechanical injury. The rigidity of the cell wall provides mechanical strength and accounts for the definite shape of plant cells.
Plastids are pigment-containing storage organelles found in plant cells and photosynthetic protists. There are two kinds of plastids, the chromoplasts and the leucoplasts.
Chromoplasts contain green, red, yellow, orange, or violet pigments in plants. The most common and important chromoplasts are the chloroplasts. The chloroplasts contain the green pigment chlorophyll, which captures the light energy for photosynthesis. Thus, the chloroplast is the site for photosynthesis, without which life will not be possible on Earth.
Leucoplasts are colorless plastids which serve as storage centers for starch.